Good morning, folks. Freedom Rider from Florida. Good morning, people. It's Freedom Rider from Florida, coming to you tonight with the most recent updates on the LED project on my motorcycle. I want to thank Regal Thunder Inc. They're located in Port St. Lucie, Florida on Becker Road. And Dennis was kind enough to help me install these Custom Dynamics components on my bike. Let me give you his information. If you want to contact Dennis, his email address is dennis@regalthunder.com. Okay, so the purpose of this first video is to relate to you as much information as possible about these Custom Dynamics components that I put on the bike. I did not do the installation myself. Dennis Maniatis helped me. And however, I do have a lot of information that you may find valuable and interesting to know. So the first video that I'd like to start off with is a detailed explanation of the headlamp, the ProBeam Custom Dynamics headlight that I installed, or Dennis installed for me on the bike. So here we have a view of the stock headlight by Harley-Davidson. This is the halogen bulb, and this is prior to the installation of the Custom Dynamics ProBeam LED 7-inch diameter headlight. This is the ProBeam 7-inch LED headlamp for Harley-Davidson. It's for Harley-Davidson motorcycles. This headlight is made in the US by ProBeam Headlamps, and it offers the latest in engineering innovation with a modern and sleek design. Low beam consists of 3 high-power advanced optical D lenses and a position light. High beam keeps low beam illuminated and adds 2 additional LEDs with advanced optical D lenses and 3 more LEDs with projector lenses for an incredibly wide optical pattern, producing an ideal beam pattern with illumination down the road as well as on either side. Made from heavy-duty, lightweight die-cast aluminum, the low-profile housing requires no trim ring and offers a plug-and-play installation. ProBeam headlights are SAE, DOT, and ECE compliant and are backed by Custom Dynamics lifetime LED warranty. These premium headlamps are available with a chrome or true black finish and durable polycarbonate lenses for long-term durability. Finally, Custom Dynamics ProBeam LED headlamps are designed for plug-and-play installation on 1981 through 2019 Harley-Davidson Electroglides, Harley-Davidson Ultras, Street Glides, and Tri-Glide models. 1994 through 2019 Road King models, 2015 through 2019 Freewheelers, 2012 through 2016 Dyna Switchbacks, 1984 through 2017 FL Softails models with OEM 7-inch headlight buckets. Matching ProBeam passing lamps are also available, along with a 5.75-inch diameter ProBeam and ProBeam with metric filament. So the passing lamps are 5.75 inches in diameter, and this headlight, this headlamp, is 7 inches in diameter. Obviously, I chose to get the chrome instead of the black outer ring. What you're seeing here is the before shot with the halogen headlight and the regular bulbs in the directional lights. This is before the LED installation. This actually is the low beam, and this is the high beam. Before the LED installation of the Custom Dynamics headlight. And this is a view with the low beams of the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam headlight. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over to high beams now and show you what the high beam looks like. I'm going to test out this LED light headlamp that I just purchased, because obviously the proof is in the pudding. It's not exactly dark. It's about 5 minutes away from sunset, but it's close enough so that in the course of the ride we should be able to give this thing a full test. Oh yeah, I'm liking what I see already. I'm glad I didn't have the high beam on right there, because that would have blinded that guy. The roads are a little blacker out a little bit further here, so put the high beams on once we get out a little further away from these cars. I want to get up on this road out here where it's going to be dark, and I'll give you a test. This next road up here should be a good road for that. Let's try this out. Okay, there's the low beam, and you see that there's a nice defined line of demarcation where the low beam cuts out and it doesn't blind the oncoming driver. And notice how wide the image is of the light. Now when you switch over to high beams, I'm going to switch right now. There's your high beam action. And the high beam clearly has a much further reach than my halogen light did. Oh yeah, nice and bright. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This road ends right up here, so I got to stop and turn around. Okay, here we go. Low beam, high beam. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it.